It is a turbulent time we live in. The earth is seeing constant famines, wars, and floods in various places. In the last month, we've seen a sharp rise in extreme downpours of rain, resulting in epic floods all over the United States. Missouri, Illinois, the greater St. Louis, Kentucky, Virginia, Las Vegas, and now even parts of Texas, as well as other countries such as China, Brazil, Wales, and even Afghanistan, are seeing great floods, and lots of people are even dying.
And then a little bit further down over by the school, you just can't drive over there. Look at that. Oh, these people have a...
This is all rainwater?
Yeah, it's literally all flooding.
That's crazy.
Yeah, 'cause it's up on this hill, so it's all this.
I guess I'm not coming into work today.
Message received. 14 is the responding Arsenal Watson. 14 Arsenal Watson.
That's the water. Look at that fence. This is freaking crazy. That's the highway. That's why it doesn't rain.
야.
진짜 못 가겠다.
The past few years have been rough, and seemingly out of a disaster film since the end of 2019. We're now asking ourselves what will happen next, and what's coming next.